Thank you, Arthur. Yes, I'm Howard Just Enough, Environmental Compliance Officer from Get Along, which is a fine community with many upstanding citizens. The Council implements projects that are in the best interests of the community. Get Along Council is focused on the demands from the constituency in the current context. The Council certainly understands the value of sustainable development practices. However, has only the resources to focus on complying with EPA guidelines and New South Wales regulation. We have particular focus on waterways and have regional partnerships for water management projects. The local agenda is too far-reaching in what can be expected from Get Along Council, as solutions within other local government areas and international and state levels compete with actions desired from our local members. The programs promoted by LGSA, state, federal, and ICLAI often fail because we cannot translate it to our local communities directly. The environment for this community not of high concern, however. We do have community garden projects that are helping with environmental education. In this way, we tailor learning for the community and aim to create leaders and champions. Okay? In order to be sustainable, we continue to support corporate, community, and move forward Agenda 21. Get Along Council understands the importance of sustainable development and looks forward to collaborating with other Greater Sydney councils to improve education and improve performance. And now we're going to go to our satellite feed at Macquarie University.